G'day Brian, I'm just going to run you through a few of the ways you can update the site. The way yours has been built has made it quite easy to upload new images and change the text without altering the setup of the website itself. So once your site actually goes live, it'll be at a different address. This is just our hosting account address at the moment, but to access it you do have to put WP admin at the end of the web address to get to the control panel. So this will ask you for the login. We'll provide you a login detail in an email with this video so you don't lose it. So once you're in here, this is pretty much the control center of your website. These parts down the side control a lot of things for your site. So first of all, I'll show you how to change text content inside the content areas of the website. So each of these are the pages that are on your site at the moment. I'll show you the home page. They're all pretty similar. Actually, on your home page, it's dictated by what's called a widget. These are sort of predetermined little blocks that make our life a little bit easier. So to get to the widgets, you just have to come under the Appearance tab here, and you'll see widgets. Now down on the side, I believe it's in the home page before content. So if you click that little triangle, it'll drop down and you'll have a text box in here. So you'll see a bit of coding, which is just alignment pretty much. But inside the bracketed areas like that is where the text content is. So you can make any changes to what you want to say just by changing the text there, and that's another paragraph there as well. If you come further down, here's the list and the headings specializing in. The bigger headings are usually inside a H bracket, which is this bit here, and these are the list items, which are inside an LI bracket. So you can change what's inside the list, or if you wanted to add another one, what I would do, the fastest way of doing that is highlighting a previous list item, right click, go copy, go to the end of that list item, press enter, right click again and click paste, and that way you've got a duplicate of the one before it. So then you just have to change the text inside, and there you can change the list items. I'll just delete that so it's not in there. But if you wanted to save any changes, just make sure you click save on the side here, and then close down the text box and also close down the home page content. And then to save everything, make sure you click through to your website again up here. Sometimes it can cause issues, so just make sure you click through, and it'll update any of these things in here once you make changes. If you want to add pictures to the content area, adding ones into these galleries here is quite simple. We've set it up so you don't have to do too much formatting. It'll just keep everything inside these squares here. You would just go to the dashboard again and come to the gallery heading down here. Now you can add galleries to images, that's the main thing. And so you can choose your image. So let's put one of these in. Make sure you choose which gallery you want to put it into. So we have specialist work, our services, current and landmark. They're all attached to each page. So I'll put it into current just to show you how it works, and then just upload the image. We can have a look at our galleries in the Manage Galleries tab. So you can have a look at it through here. At the moment, all of the images have been cut to a certain size just to stop any weird resizing issues. So it's 455 by 338 now, 454, sorry. if we wanted to, we can automatically resize them using this gallery plugin, or you can cut them before you upload them so they're precise. Sometimes if you resize through this gallery plugin, it will stretch or distort the size of the image, but it tends to be pretty good. So we'll manage this gallery. We'll go into the current gallery settings, and here we can see that this image at the moment is 800 by 455. So if we wanted to resize it, we click on this little tick box and then see where it says bulk actions, we change to resize images. Now if we go apply, it'll ask us what size we want, so we'll go 454 by 338, and that'll go okay. And what it's done is, to keep the same perspective as the other photos, it's actually resized it to 258, mainly because of the dimensions of this image that we've uploaded. So it'll look similar, it'll be the same height, so it won't be too different. So now we just save the changes. Now if we go back, we can look at our website by clicking on this link at the top. Go into gallery. We'll see it's been added to current down here. Now once it gets more images, it'll align with these ones here, I'm assuming. So now it's in current gallery and it'll show up in there. So it's got the same height, just the width is a lot bigger because it's trying to keep the size ratio. You also have the galleries that are in slideshows.